Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ooh, that's pretty close, huh? Today I'm going to try to do something a little bit different. I don't know how different it is, but it's a version of the Dutch pour, but with a twist. Actually, it's a version of the Dutch pour with a flip. So I'm going to do a flip cup dirty pour Dutch pour. A dirty pour flip cup Dutch pour. So I've already based my canvas in phthalo blue. And I'll get some gloves on. And today I'm using Artist Loft Phthalo Blue, Artist Loft Phthalo Green, Artist Loft Cerealean Blue, Artist Loft Cobalt Hue, Grumbacher Prussian Blue, and Artist Loft White. They are all mixed with Floetrol and a little bit of water. So, all right. Let me take my caps off here. These paints are already pre-mixed. The phthalo blue I just mixed up, so there could be some bubbles in it. All right, so let me get a cup here. Which size cup should I use? You know what? I'm just going to use a little cup here. And I'm going to put a little bit of silicone in the cup around the edges. That way all the paint will come out. And it'll also mix in with the paints and create, well, hopefully create some cool cells or effects. All right. So that's all the silicone that I'm putting in, is just the stuff that I put to coat the cup. And I'm even wiping it out. All right. So I'm going to start with my base color. And then I'm going to go with some cerulean blue. Some Prussian blue, one of my favorite colors. I'm going to go with some white. Some cobalt blue. I don't think you can see what I'm doing, can you? I'm just filling up the cup right now. And now we're going to go with some phthalo green. Now I'm going to take this white and I am going to like shoot it down in like that so that it mixes. And then I'm going to try to flip it without making a mess. Okay. I'm going to let it sit there for a second. While we cap these. Now, because the phthalo blue was my base coat, I'm going to surround it with more here. I'm actually going to move this over right here. Surround it all the way around the cup, just like you would do with a pour. Okay, now all the paint's down there. All right, so we're going to lift it up. Very pretty. Very pretty. I'm going to torch it a bit, get the bubbles out. So that's just from a little bit of silicone in your cup. All right, I'm going to get my blow dryer. Okay, here's the noise, so plug your ears. I'm going to blow it this way and then blow it out. Not strong enough. Now normally you would leave like some more negative space, but I liked the way that this was going, so I liked that, and then so I just kept going with it. I'm gonna pop the bubbles. Even on the sides here. Just getting my sides. The sides that are like still just blue with no drips. Turn this around a bit. So I can see this side. This is a cradle board. I think it's called a Gesso block. Got it from Joannes. So it's already got the top of it. It's like a, what am I kicking around? Oh, my napkins. All right, guys. So I'm going to turn it here so you can see what I saw. And I really like it. I love how it's got all this lacing in here. I might blow this out just a bit. I'll use my air gun for that. Hang on. Just a bit, just to make it match the other side. Whoops, that is not a bit. Alright, that's okay. It worked, because it's coming back together. Alright, I'll take you in on a close-up, and we are going to call that one Finito. So yeah, you can call it a dirty Dutch, you can call it flip cup Dutch, but I just thought it was kind of cool to build the colors up in the cup first and then flip them, smack them up, flip them, rub them down. Oh no. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Come join Tammy Anderson and I in our Facebook group, United We Pour with Tammy and Lisa. Tammy is working on her Etsy shop, so you guys should go check that out. Okay, I'm gonna go in close here. All right. You know what? I'm going to take you out of the thing. Hang on, you're going for a ride. Sorry. All right. So I'll probably either have it hang like this or like this. I don't know. Whichever way, whoever buys it wants it hung. Here's some really nice lacing here. Some big juicy cells there. Some flames. That's a cool little effect. See that phthalo green when it mixes with the phthalo blue? Beautiful. I like this. Like I said, I get bored of the same old stuff, and I've been seeing a lot of Dutch pours and stuff, and I thought, you know, maybe we can make it a little more exciting. So thought I'd give it a try. So maybe we can play around with the technique and make it super fun. I know, I had fun. Alright, so there it goes, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. And if you haven't already, go check out our Facebook group. And I will see you on the next video, guys. Bye.